The last year or two, we've seen prices of graded rookie cards in baseball and basketball skyrocket. Pokemon has also been on the rise, and then football kind of far behind. Although the sports vary in popularity, the collectibles are on a completely different level compared to the popularity of the sport. And in the far back of the room, almost unnoticeable, you have NASCAR collectibles and NASCAR cards specifically. So I believe the 1988 Maxx set is going to be the most sought after collectible in NASCAR cards. And that is because that was the first year NASCAR cards were ever produced. So I've picked up a bunch of examples of PSA graded versions. There's about 20 here. I just want to show you. It's a Davey Allison, mint 10. Now, compared to other sports, NASCAR card production was significantly less. You compare a 1988 Maxx to a 1988 Topps, I mean, the market was just bigger for baseball cards, although NASCAR was trying to capitalize on that movement. So, at the end of the day, and there's a very interesting story about the 1988 Maxx cards because there were actually two variations, a Charlotte version and a Myrtle Beach version. I'll share more about the details of those in a different video. Darrell Waltrip. Technically, these are all rookie cards, which makes this set incredible. Brad Teague, Phil Parsons. Notice how it mentions on the tag, mentions wife Marcia. This is the Charlotte version. The Myrtle Beach version doesn't mention his wife. Jimmy Means, one of Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s favorite drivers. Mark Martin. Incredible talent. Hall of Famer. Buddy Baker. Bill Elliott. So Bill Elliott does have a portrait version, which would probably be more considered his rookie card. But Chase Elliott just yesterday won the NASCAR Cup Series championship, so congratulations to them, their family, and Chase specifically. The Rainier Lundy Motor Shop, which eventually was purchased by Robert Yates and turned into Robert Yates Racing. Speedway Club at Charlotte Motor Speedway. There's a mixture of sevens, PSA 7s, 8s, and 9s. Sterling Marlin are praying hard for Sterling because he is not doing very well. So if you're the kind of person that prays, if you could send some prayers. I believe his condition is MS, and I could be wrong about exactly what it is, but it's not good. North Wilkesboro. This track is probably one of the most popular tracks that has been talked about recently, especially on the Dale Jr. download and his show, Lost Speedways, which is on Peacock. And if you don't watch the Dale Jr. download, and if you're just getting into NASCAR or you're a old-time NASCAR lover, it's a fantastic podcast, and they even show it on NBC, about an hour of the podcast. They usually run about 2 hours, and then they have the full version on all the podcast platforms. Kelly Yarborough, Swervin' Ernie Irvin. I don't really like that nickname, so I take that back. Ernie Irvin was one of my favorite race car drivers. After Davey Allison unfortunately passed away in a helicopter accident, Ernie Irvin took over his car several races later, and he got into an accident less than a year after he got into that car. So it was just a terrible storyline of some incredible Hall of Fame NASCAR drivers. All right, and then you have the checklist. I believe there are several checklists throughout the set, but 1988 Maxx PSA graded group right here. These are going to be available for sale. You can check in the description box if the sale's still going on. I might put them up on auction. I might put them on Mercari. I'm not sure. But depending on when you see this video, you might be able to purchase these and get a nice little starter set of the 100 card 1988 Maxx NASCAR Cards set. All right, thanks.